This is the presentation of the site that I've chosen to use. In this presentation, I will show you my site layout, a couple of training modules, some assessment that I'm choosing to do for my training modules. On this presentation, I will show you how I'm going to use Schoology is my training location for my training modules. On this presentation, I will walk you through the course that I've created on our learning management system Schoology. We are actually currently using Edmodo, and next year we are going to be introducing the Schoology learning management system. So I've created some learning modules on how to use Schoology is our new learning management system, and how to use the iPad to help enrich our learning environment with the students. There's a second piece to my design proposal, and that was to also create a site for students and parents. So I'll show that as well. So I've created this iPad enrichment course within the Schoology site, and I will give the teachers the access code for them to access this information. There's a tech post area here where teachers can post information that they've found we're sharing, any discussion questions that myself or other teachers might be able to answer for them. Then I have the resources folder, and this is where the most information is located, and there's two sections that specifically host my training modules right now at the moment. I'm kind of going to be building this site throughout the summer and the upcoming school year for the teachers to be utilizing. So we're going to be looking at the learning management system and apps folder. So within the learning management system folder, I have created this Schoology folder that the teachers will be able to have access to, the pre-training, which has several videos that I created to introduce the different functions like the Schoology environment itself, and then a Schoology quiz. So they'll go through this pre-training videos. I've listed them video 1, video 2, and so on for them to watch in order. And then when they finish the videos, they will go to the pre-training quiz and provide me with some feedback on how those videos were, and provide me with some information about their thoughts with Schoology. Back to the resources folder. The other portion right now that the teachers will be using will be the apps section. In here, I have provided a content resources folder. This is an area where I can add links or any resources I feel might be useful for the teachers with utilizing apps in 5th and 6th grade. I have a folder here, evaluating apps, because when they are creating their assignments that they will be doing for me, they will utilize the links within the evaluating apps folder and actually evaluate some apps or create their own evaluation form to evaluate apps that either we have or apps that we don't have yet. So I have 3 assignments for them to start building off of, utilizing apps and getting their iPads into their everyday curriculum. And then their final project here. which is just basically creating a unit and having the iPad implemented throughout their unit. At the end of their projects, we will meet in August. This is going to be kind of a summer type setting for them. And we're going to meet in August before the school year starts. And I will meet with them and go over their different assignments and projects that they have created for me. And then we will just discuss different ways that we might be able to implement new things, change some things, and give them a chance to really work one-on-one with me and go over any questions that they might still have that are outstanding. And then this particular course, this section of the course, the final project will be presented to our technology committee because we have to come up with evidence on how these iPads are being used and integrated into our instruction so that we can get more money to buy more iPads for our school. So then the second portion of my design that I created has to do with the students and parents. And so I created a very simple website using Weebly, and it's iPads at home, and it's just a students tab and a parents tab. And then on the students tab, I will continue to add resources available for students to help them maybe just learn more about the apps that they're using, learn how to use certain things in their learning management system, just kind of almost like a handbook for their iPad. It'll be a resource that they'll be able to go to. In the parent section, I have focused on the learning management system, and I created 3 videos on how to create a parent account and information for the parents to get started having access to the students' coursework from Schoology. And then an important piece that we are really pushing and focusing on at our school in all grade levels is digital citizenship. So this is going to provide them with some information and links to other areas that I feel might be useful for the parents at home. So that is my presentation of my design proposal that I have created to be training with my teachers and parents and students.